You never know. You want to get in the kitchen and try to cook something. You don't know what you want to cook. I got a special treat for you this evening. We in the kitchen again. Salutations, people. We in the kitchen again. I know it's late, but I got a special treat for you this evening. A chef is going to cook something for us in his backyard. His name is Chef John. What you got for us, Chef?
All right, we're doing deep fried pickles tonight and a couple other things we're going to fry. I'm using a mixture of Louisiana fish fry and some panko breadcrumbs and Vlasic ovals, and going to drop them in a minute into this oil, which I have right now at about 325.
So what is the batter ratio?
About half and half of panko and Louisiana fish fry.
Okay. And what's up next?
All we're going to do is we moved them from that bowl to this strainer, and I'm going to shake them off a little bit so I don't get so much stuff in my oil.
So what you got, 325 to 350?
Right now we're at 350 degrees, and in they go.
All right. And so how long they cook?
We'll give them about a minute, maybe less. It doesn't take long. They're thin, a lot of oil. No big worry about recovery on that because there's a couple of 3-4 gallons of oil. So, in fact, we probably could just about video the whole cooking process. I'm going to move the thermometer out of the way. I don't need it anymore. And I'm going to drop my phone in the oil.
Don't drop your phone.
So, stir them around just a little bit.
What you gonna put it on? You need a tray.
And just remember that I don't have, my tray.
Oh, get your tray.
To put them on. And that's part of frying in a hurry. But, I don't know how long it's been, but short time. I'm gonna roll them around a couple more times.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that looks good.
Move them around a little bit. I'm going to turn the oil down a little bit because I got plenty more stuff to fry. I don't want it getting too hot, so I'm going to back that down a little bit. And they're frying up nicely.
Yeah.
I've actually never tried this combination of breading, but we'll know in a minute if it works. I've used panko and I've used Louisiana, just never mixed them together. So, all right, well, I'm gonna turn the phone off where I can get these out of here, but
okay,
they're virtually done. If they're not, they will be in just a few seconds. So,
okay.
I'll let you know how they were in a minute.
Pull it up. It's done.
Okay, there they are, fresh out of the oil, and they browned up good, look good. We're gonna let those cool for, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes, and we'll see what they taste like. They should be good.
Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, that's it. Bravo, bravo. Okay, people, that was Chef John. We will have him back again for another dish. Thank you for tuning in, and leave a comment below so we can know what you're thinking. All right?